One is Acer laptop. So we are trying to the giving Windows using the pen drive. So Acer laptop boot is 12. We are trying to the 12. This is our keyboard issues. So load server and device. Then 12 is not showing in the boot menu. But now we are giving again restart and enable the F12. Go and F2 pressing. Now you go the menu, there have a F12 menu is the disable, so we need to the enable for giving Windows also boot menu showing. Now press the F10 for saving. Yes, now we are pressing F12. Now after F12 pressing, the USB boot menu is coming. So need to the on your boot menu in BIOS. Thank you.